guarding the rabbits. That's all I want to say.
Sandy's about to maul the rabbits.
Oh boy, and Snowball seems to like it. Snowball! Floppy! Come on. Don't think I'm a rabbit.
Sandy, what you doing? You got fleas? He just got a bath this morning. He rolls all in the dirt.
Here, want you some. This video camera isn't working too good.
Why?
It's sort of blurry. Sandy, get out of the way. This is Lisa taking this. Isn't it amazing how dogs can do tricks these years?
Turn around and look at the house and everything. I ain't taken none of your pictures up since we've been here.
Whoops.
Use the fucking jab, man. You gotta use the jab, the short right hand. Short your right hand up, okay, James? And then look for 2 or 3 shots. Go down in there.
Okay. What? Did you turn your flash on, Dina? No.